In 2024 marks a new wave of change and new initiatives by our Learning Vaka. We have been developing a new pilot program for our Tapuaki maternal, paternal and infant wellbeing workforce development program. Our program seeks to uplift professional development for our kaiawhina, our community and our health workforce. This is to hopefully better engage with our Pacific families and our Pacific communities that we wish to serve.
The Pacific Child Advocacy webinar on April 18th and the Pacific Maternal and Paternal Mental Wellbeing webinar on August 20th addressed critical issues affecting Pacific communities in Aotearoa. The Pacific Child Advocacy webinar focused on systemic poverty impacting housing, education, healthcare and economic empowerment. The Pacific Maternal and Paternal Mental Wellbeing webinar discussed mental wellbeing of Pacific parents, reviewing progress since the previous session and highlighting importance of collaboration among health workers and incorporating Pacific values to improve access to health services. Both events called for a united effort to drive positive change and support Pacific families effectively.